Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to export your WordPress website in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the WordPress website that you want to export, click on dashboard. You will see this website dashboard page. Now go to files and select backups. Now jump to the restore and download tab, and from this tab you can select between exporting all of your WordPress website including files and database, only export files, click on it like that, or only export the database. In my case, I prefer to go to export both of my WordPress site files and backup. After that, select the date of the backup that you want to get. Let's say, for example, yesterday. The best copy I want to export is from the yesterday. Select it from this list like that and click on download website. As you see here, a download link with all files and databases of your website will be sent to your email. Click on send link to email. They started preparing files to download. Here, just wait a moment. What you should do now is to check the inbox of your Hostinger email address. This is mine. Just click on your little profile icon. By the way, my backup prepared and sent by an email. I will check this email inbox. And this is the email I've received from Hostinger. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And this is the email I've received from Hostinger, and this is the website's files. They separate them. Let's export my WordPress website files like that. The backup or the export files are downloading. Let's do the same thing with the database file. The database file is quick to export because it's a small file. And let's wait for, as you see, the WordPress site files are completely exported. Let's open it, double click it to decompress it. My bad, this was the SQ, this was the database because it ends with .sql. Let's double click this site files, and just like that you'll get a domains folder where you will see your website name, and inside it you will see the public HTML, and these are your website files. And this is how to export a WordPress site on Hostinger. By the way, if your website is still new and you don't have recorded or a list of dates here, or for whatever reason you don't have your preferred date here, or let's say you want to take or you want to export the live state of your website, So what you need to do is to go back to the manage backups tab, and here you will see take a backup button that will create a backup of your WordPress website directly or live, and then you can get it from this list after the backup was created. In my case, I don't have the button here because you can only have or create a manual backup once every 24 hours, and I've already recorded a video yesterday where I've used it, or where I've made a manual backup. And this is how to export your WordPress website in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.